Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add threads. So we'll create a new part and click set to stop plan. As example, I will draw circle. You can set for diameter into 15. Click close and then use extrude tools to convert into 3D. For distance, I will set into 20 and then click OK. Now, if you want to add thread into this cylinder, you can go to Hole Wizard drop down menu and then click thread. After it, you need to select for thread location. I will click in the top here, and you can set for end of thread. I will set into 18, just 18 millimeter. And then for type, you can change like into metric diameter like this. And this is for the size. You can set into M10. So this is for M10. Or the other option, we can set into M14. M14. If you done, you can click OK. So to be add thread into this cylinder. Okay, that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add threads. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.